Insurance on a luxury car? Let's just say it's not for the faint of heart. Premiums are often much higher than those for standard vehicles, reflecting the higher value and repair costs associated with luxury cars. Fuel costs, those high-performance engines don't run on hopes and dreams. They require premium fuel, which can be significantly more expensive than regular gasoline. Over time, these costs can add up, especially if you drive frequently. And maintenance, forget your local mechanic. You'll be on a first-name basis with the dealership service manager. Regular maintenance and repairs for luxury cars can be costly, often requiring specialized parts and labor. Depreciation is the silent killer. That expensive beauty loses value faster than you can say depreciation. Luxury cars tend to depreciate more quickly than their non-luxury counterparts, meaning you could lose a significant portion of your investment in just a few years. So before you sign on the dotted line, do your homework. Understand the true cost of ownership. Research the specific model you're interested in and consider all the associated costs. Look into insurance rates, fuel efficiency, and maintenance schedules. Your wallet will thank you later. By being informed and prepared, you can make a decision that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Owning a luxury car can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to go into it with your eyes wide open.